Okay, guys, so I want you to see this withdrawal proof from my Joy token, my Joy coin, and also follow the video step by step and learn how to withdraw your coin when it's time for you to withdraw, right? Please make sure that you watch this video, because some of you will see videos and you will skip it, or you will just watch the introduction and you will not watch it to the end. After everything, you will still come back to be asking me questions on what I've already taught, what the video is already there for you. So I want you to watch this video till the end, follow it step by step so that you see what this guy did till the end, so that you see how to withdraw. And if you're not following me, if this is your first time of seeing this video, make sure you subscribe. If you have any question also, make sure you comment it on the comment section. Like this video so that YouTube will recommend it for others. Share it to your community so that they will know how to go about it, so that I will not be asking you much questions. So I'll be playing the video now. Thank you.
BitGet wallet now. You can use any decentralized wallet to access it, okay? So what I just need to do now, go to my DApp here. So once I click on it, then I'll paste the link. So once the link loaded, then I'll log in my details. So let us wait in a little bit to load up. So you can decide to log in with your wallet, or you can also decide to log in with your email and password. So preferably use your email and password, or you can use your Telegram hashtag and password to log in. So guys, as you can see, I have logged in successfully. What I just need to do now is to go ahead and click on this More Joy. Alright, so once I'm there, then click on the dashboard. So I'll click on the dashboard, then I'll scroll down. So you can see my account is reading at $118 here. So what I just need to do is to go ahead. For me to withdraw this, I must pay back the loan of $50. Okay, they have given to me in the very first time. Okay, so what I just need to do now is to go ahead and click on this top up here. I'll scroll up and click on this top up. So immediately I click on top up, then the next step I'll scroll down and make a payment of 50 USDT to this address. Okay, so what I just need to do, I'll click on top up here, either via by wallet, or you connect your wallet to top it up if you have 50 USDT. But if you don't, then you just go ahead and make a payment through normal way. Okay, USDT per 20. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on and copy this account number and make the deposit. So once I make the deposit, that is for a repayment back. Okay, so let's do that now and wait for the results. So the $50 has been deposited to this account, okay, to this address. So what I just need to do is to copy my hashtag and paste it here. Okay, so then I'll paste my address here. Then I'll click on check hash code. You can see perpetual repayment confirmed withdrawal and now unlocked. Please connect your wallet before making a withdrawal. So this is how it works. So what I just need to do now, I'll go ahead and click on this dashboard. So I'll click, sorry guys, I'll go to my More Joy dashboard. Okay, then I'll scroll down. So you can see it's now available for me to withdraw. So I have about $118 to withdraw. So what I just need to do is to come over here and click on withdraw. All right. So you can see the distribution about 0.026. So let's go to the withdrawal page. So first of all, before I go ahead and withdraw, I need to connect my wallet. All right. I need to connect my wallet. So let's do that. Let me go to wallet settings. Okay. To bind my wallet. Okay, so wallet connect, review detected address and link to you. Then link it to your address. Okay. Okay, still in my wallet connection. Let's see. Okay, sent successfully. All right, it's like my wallet has connected successfully. So let's go back to More Joy. Let's go to dashboard and click on withdraw. Then let's go down. Wow, so my address is already here. So the next step I just need to do is to go ahead and click this exact amount I will drop to my wallet, 118.12. All right, so then I will withdraw to my account. All right. Okay, we need to complete the security verification. So guys, this is how it works. You must pass the verification before you can be able to withdraw. So I'll click on it, and I'll now type the whole amount I want to withdraw, which is 118.12. Okay, so if your own is showing you somehow difficult, just go ahead and refresh. Okay, so then you click on withdraw. So let's see. Boom, you can see automatic. Can you see that? Entered successfully. Withdraw. Like everything they sharp. Share you grab everything they sharp. You know, understand? So let us go to our account, go back to our wallet. You are going to see that it have already successfully entered. Can you see that? Let's go to wallet. Let's go to wallet. Let's go to wallet. Wow. You can see the notification already. It's here. So let's go to wallet. Now let's go to wallet. So you can see the joy. It's here. So this is it. So what I just need to do now, I'm going to swap it to USDT. All right. So what I just need to do, I'll go to PancakeSwap. Okay. So already I have the smart contract. So I'll just go ahead. Okay. Let me click on this swap and see what is going to happen. If I can swap 12 here, then if I can't, then I'll just go ahead to all right, here is the joy. Okay, and here is oh sorry, here is the USDT. Here is a BNB. Okay, so let's shift it to USDT. All right, so let's take a maximum and let's see what you are going to bet. Okay, we are going to get $115. I think that doesn't much. Let's click on trade. Yeah, let's click on trade. Okay, can you see that? This is cool money, guys. This is absolutely cool money. This is cool money. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see? Cool money. So everything done easily. So let's hit it. Wow, can you see the money? Yeah. So I can now go ahead and send it to my account. So everything working. So this is it. More joy is absolutely amazing. I thought it's not going to leave, but it shows me now is a real project. So this is it. Can you see that? Yeah. So good luck.
Remember, I also promised that if you get up to $100 in your dashboard, that you should let me know, and I will use my own $50 to pay for you so that you'll be able to withdraw. And when you withdraw, I take my $50 back while you withdraw any other remaining, which is $50 or above that's remaining in your account. And I am serious about it.